Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Install Flatpak Manager with running next command. Enable Flatpak using the following command. Once Flatpak is installed and active, install the app using the next command. Once installation is finished, go into your desktop. There you will see the XnView by icon, or you can search it by system search bar. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.